Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing your data. Back up your iPhone and confirm the Apple Watch backup exists in the Watch app. Once done, unpair the old watch from the Watch app so it creates that backup and removes activation lock. Make sure the old watch and iPhone stay charged. Now power on the new watch and hold it near your iPhone. You'll see the pairing animation. Tap Continue and align the viewfinder. This starts the transfer, which preserves settings and health data for the next steps. You'll be asked whether to set up as new or restore from backup. Choose Restore from Backup and pick the most recent one. This brings back apps, complications, and watch faces. During Restore, enter your Apple ID and any passcodes prompted. This re-enables activation lock and restores health data. Make choices about Apple Pay, Siri, diagnostics, and risk detection as they appear. Once apps download, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi remain enabled so watch and phone finish syncing without interruption. Once the restore shows complete, let the watch finish installing apps and syncing health data. Check the Watch app for status and storage. Make sure watch faces, notifications, and Apple Pay work. Test a call or message. If pairing fails, reboot both devices, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and retry. If that still fails, erase the watch and try again. For activation lock problems, sign into iCloud on your iPhone or remove the old watch from iCloud. This clears the lock so you can finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.